guys, hope you guys are well. Welcome back to another video. So we're going to try on some glasses today, okay? If you guys are interested in that, you guys need to stay tuned. So we have glasses from Lensmart, okay? Lensmart is who we are partnering with today. Y'all, I love trying on glasses. I love trying on clothes. I love doing all of that. Do you hear me? Y'all know I can't see. I normally wear contacts or glasses. So either when I'm around the house or there's some days where I just don't feel like wearing contacts, I have to have some fashionable glasses. First things first, I want to show you guys how everything is just like packaged real nice, okay? Look at this cute little box. Oh my gosh. Would you look at that? Little pouch. I love when a company takes their time with everything. Let's see what's in this box. We have little pamphlets. We also have the little cloth. I forgot which glasses I picked out with Lensmart, y'all, so this is gonna be new and shocking to me. So let's look at them up close. Look how cute these are. Oh my gosh. Y'all know I love glasses like these. They are so cute. Look at that. Look at that. It's definitely gonna add some color to my face. Oh, this is definitely my kind of glasses. Oh my gosh. Definitely my kind of glasses, you know, when I'm feeling spunky and I want to be cute at night, because you know I don't like to wear my contacts at night. I prefer to throw on some glasses. Even if I'm going to like the grocery store, going somewhere at night, I like to wear my glasses. So you will catch me in glasses at night, most likely. These are cute. Or sitting at my computer, you know. These are really like, oh my gosh, the color. We got it going from green, yellow, to like this orangey red. Then we have the frame that's going around, like a round frame. And same for the arms of the glasses. Lovely, lovely. I like these. So what do y'all think? What do y'all think? I think they're cute and they're very like lightweight. Off to the next pair we go. Show you guys up close. Very colorful. I clearly was in a colorful mood picking all of these. That's what the bag looks like. I'm seeing great out of them so far. Okay, okay. Let's zoom out. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. This go good with my little outfit I got on today. Hi. Hi. I like how they look. Once again, very lightweight. No problem. My PD and everything is like great. So very studious yet, you know, kind of quirky and cute and chic. I like glasses like that. Very eccentric looking, you know. I don't like normal looking glasses, so if you going for the normal look, you can get that from Lensmart. If you're going for like a spunky, outgoing look, you can get that from Lensmart too. These are cute though. I like them. The side looks, got a little purple on the side. I like that. You know, everything just kind of flows. Okay, I don't think I've ever had any glasses like this shape. Not quite. So this is gonna be new for me. I did go for something a little, you know, out of the box for myself, because I'm normally, you know, I like the spunky glasses, but certain shapes I'll go for more than others. Like, I don't know, leopard or cheetah print. Ooh, I like the yellow on the end right there. Ooh, I like these too. Okay, okay, these are not, you know, they ain't bad. I was a little scared because, you know, my face is a little bigger now, you know. So that's kind of why I'm shying away from this kind of the shape of these glasses. I just feel like, you know, they don't look good on my face, but these ones do. I like them. I like them. I think it's really the print that's really just like, bam, like, we sophisticated. We can be classy and sophisticated and not wild and out there, but this is a touch of wild to it, like wild vibe. Ooh, shucky ducky. Y'all really need to see these. Look at that. The blue, the black, all of that is just meshing well together with the gold, the hints of gold. And y'all, what I really love about these, look at this. Check out every detail on here. This is gold. It's just like gold. It's not really showing up right on camera, but have a look at this. Is that pearls? These are pearls. There are pearls on the end. It's so cute. Oh my god. Y'all know these are my kind of glasses. I like big glasses. I really love big glasses. I have a big pair, 2 big pair from another brand, and I get so many compliments on them. Once again, like I said, if you don't want these to be prescribed, you know, you don't want your prescription in them, you don't have to have them like that. You can just order them like without it, and you're good to go. If you want them just for fashion, you can do that. Oh, I just love how it's thin on the side, and then it's giving me just like, I don't know, 80s, is it 60s, 70s, 80s, somewhere along in that era. Yeah. Oh my god, these are cute. And you can't even see like my lens poking out of them or nothing like that. So, because I have thick lens, like my eyes are terrible. So, you know, these frames hide the lens very well. So, love it, love it, love it, love it. They're white sunglasses. Look, closer look. Look at the details on the sides, the little gold details on the sides. Oh my gosh, I like these. Normally I don't go for white glasses. Normally I don't go for white sunglasses, but I like these. They ain't bad. I might wear them on an island somewhere, you know. They ain't bad. You know, but these would definitely be cute, like if they were black. I like how like they sit out, they're big. These are like glasses you can sit and cry in, you know what I'm saying? You don't want people to see you crying. Like, these are glasses that I would wear like on the plane. Like, I don't want people all in my face. I don't want people to know if I'm asleep or not. I'm gonna throw these on, you know what I'm saying? It's real nice. It's real nice. Okay. Yeah, the detailing though is really cute. Cause why not? Cause why not? That is it for this video, you guys. Lensmart. Thank you.
Cause I got a really big team and they need some really big rings. They need some really nice things. Better be coming with no strings. Better be coming with no strings. We need some really nice things. We need some really big rings.